Best credit cards 2023. Creating a virtual card is easier than you thought because all you need to do is search for UMoney on Google or use your phone, open umoney.ru and access this website. But before that, let me show you what the virtual card looks like. And if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to Roladel Business. Now this is my own card. Let me show you how it looks before I take you through the process of creating one for yourself. As you can see right here, we have your virtual guide, and if I click on view, I'll be able to get ready to sign up to any services I want. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to search for your money on Google or visit this website. I know it's a Russian website, but don't worry, no matter what country you are in, you'll be able to get this free facial credit card for yourself. They have an app on Play Store and app on App Store, but don't worry, if you don't have the app, you can use your website to click on this sign up at the top right corner right here, and this page pops up. As you see this page, you need to select your country code by tapping on this right here and scroll down to see your country code. Once you see your country that could be attached to it, so just select it and now input your mobile phone number. Make sure this phone number is working and you can receive calls through it, because it will call and you have to answer before the text will be sent to you for verification. Now click on this next right here. I should click on the next two things that will happen. They will call you with a phone number, and once they call you, it's only to accept the call, which means once you accept the call, they rejected it themselves and will now send you the code. But you need to request for the code yourself. So we can see right here, it says you can get the new message in 14 seconds. So within this time period, they will call you. Make sure you answer it. They will reject it to verify that you are human. That's where you answer the question, and then you can click on this to get the new text message code right here, and then the code will now be sent to your SMS, and you can now input this code right here and then click on the next option. Now you can now put your email address, click next and check your email inbox. Once you refresh it and you check your internet connection before you refresh it, once you refresh and you don't see it damaged, it will be in your spam folder. Most of the time it's mostly a spam folder, so just click on this more right here and click on this spam right here, and you can see this first one right here. So copy it and then send it back to the website. The website is Russian, but if you don't understand Russian, don't worry. All you need to do is to just use the Google Translator, which is an extension. So we just use it right here and then it confirmed it. Now choose a password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters. Once login or one upper or case or one lower case, or also add some variables or special characters to it for it to stand out. You can see all the 3 I checked. That means my password follows the criteria you need before you can be. So click on this done right here and we are almost done. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to Roladel Business for more upcoming videos. And so I will show you on the website. You have already gotten your virtual credit card. You don't need to apply for it. All you need to do is view it, load it up with money and use it for any services you want, and you can also use it for free trials, so don't worry about it. So actually on the website, let me just cancel this right now. I don't want to add money to this account, so I'm not adding money to it. So you can see right here, we have your virtual card right here. Just click on it. You can see my expiry date over it, post right here. As you can click on it, there are 3 things that will happen. They will call your number, which is the mobile number you are using to register. Please answer it. When you answer it, they will reject it. Before you can now request for the code, it's just like the same process we used during the sign up. And now you can see my credit card info right here. This is my card number, this is my name, this is my credit. I also have my TV right here. I can click on it and see it. So I can now use this and register to Spotify. So we can just sign up on Spotify, and when it reaches the payment option, you can use it to pay for a subscription. You can now add your card details, and so you can also use this to sign up for Netflix or any website you feel like. I hope this video helps. Make sure you subscribe to Roladel Business and like this video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.